Hi everybody, Andrew Cherin here, and I'm excited to bring to you another edition of my video blog. As you know, I'm a personal injury lawyer here in Seattle, and I represent people who've been injured in car accidents. And today's topic is diminished value claim. So what's a diminished value claim? A diminished value claim is where you're in a car accident and your car's value all of a sudden is far less than what it was before the car accident happened. A lot of people think that the car's good as new after it's repaired, and even the best auto shop can do the greatest repair job, but there's little things that you can't really undo. And when you're looking to buy a new car or a used car, you're going to want to know whether it's been in a car accident. And if it's been in a car accident before, you're going to usually put a lot less value on that car versus the same car which is in similar condition but hasn't been in a car accident. Why is that? Why do we have such reservations about cars that have been in car accidents and have been fully repaired by a great auto mechanic, auto body shop, but it looks good as new. It looks exactly the same. A lot of that has to do with how the car accident impacted the car and the unknowns about it. So there's a lot of unknowns that even the best car auto body shop places can't really fix. And maybe they can guarantee to the best of their ability 99% of the cases won't have these problems, but there's still things that you never know that could still happen, such as frame damage. Once the frame's been damaged and it's been bent and now it's being bent back into the position that it was before, you lose a little bit of value and a little bit of stability from the frame itself. So the frame itself is not going to have that same straightness that it once had before, because it's going to be bent and changed around, and it's going to, bending metal is going to change the load structure and the integrity of it to a certain degree. Maybe it's 1%, maybe it's 50%. You never know. So anyways, when someone else is looking to buy your car after it's been in a car accident, the value of it is far less. And how do you determine what that value is? You're going to have to take your car to an appraiser. An appraiser will do a full evaluation of what your car's worth, from what the repairs done to it were, what similar cars on the market are selling for right now, and what cars based on that have been in car accidents are selling for, if they have that information available. Usually they don't, so they'll kind of make their own estimation about what the car accident has done to the value of the car now on the open market. And these sometimes the appraiser will give pretty high marks for, usually depending on how new the car is and what kind of car it is. Usually if it's been in a car accident and it is a fairly new car, it could lose anywhere from $2,000 to $8,000. I've seen all the ranges. But in order to get one of these claims, which are very valid, you're going to have a car that's really new. And so what does really new mean? Anywhere from 6 months to a year, is probably a good safe bet where you can get that diminished value claim. Maybe as far back as 2 years, you can still maybe qualify for that diminished value claim and get compensation for your car's value at that point. But any further than that, it's really tough, if not impossible, to get any money for diminished value claims. Unfortunately, because it has to do with like depreciation of cars. They depreciate very quickly. Within 2 years, your car's lost $10,000 in value. It's just the nature of the game in technology. There's always new technologies coming out, and there's always new cars coming out. So supply and demand, and there's always a lot of supply for new cars and old cars. So anyways, if you've been in a car accident and you need a consultation about from a personal injury lawyer, I give free consultations. My number here is 206-850-6716, and I'd love to walk you through all your options going forward and see if maybe you do have a diminished value claim for your car accident case. Maybe not. And if you need any more information, if you don't want a consultation right now yet, feel free to check out my website. There's a lot of great information still on there. It's www.lawsharing.com. I regularly update my blog. I have a lot of video blog posts, and you can check out my free book that I'm that I have connected to my website as well that you can download. It's also available on Amazon to buy. But if you want to check out my book, all you have to do is enter your email address and you'll be on my newsletter list, which I update monthly. I'm trying to do it bi-monthly. It's going to be updates on what are the best personal injury blog posts that I've produced in the last month. So anyways, I hope you found this information great, and talk to you next time.